5. Cord Keeper Hair Dryer. Intro, Cord Keeper Hair Dryer. This dryer highlights ionic technology to direct frizz for smooth, shining hair and tourmaline ceramic technology for linear warmth for hurry drying with less harm. Additionally, today our topic is Cord Keeper Hair Dryer. This hair dryer is really the best and amazing for fashion models as well as home use. But if you are a model and barber, then in the market plethora of choices and models are available. Number 5. Bob Eyeles Elegance 2100 Gorgeous Cord Keeper Hair Dryer. A plethora of folks is living on this planet who wanted to improve their appliance as well as their fashion products, so today we are going to discussing Cord Keeper Hair Dryer. But if you have any problem to choose good and amazing device, then read this article. It will help you a lot. Amazingly stylish design has Elegance 2100 watt with advanced airflow technology for ultra quick drying. Even on a huge amount of hairs, the frizz taming ionic technology soft frizz sparkling as you dry for sleek, glossy hair. Really lightweight design. Product detail. Hair type, frizzy brand, Bob Eyeles dimension, 2.28 pounds material, ceramic. Pros. Really 2100 watt for high amount results, heat balancing ceramic technology for soft hair drying, amazing frizz handling, ionic conditioners to boost sparkling. Cons. Not foldable handle. It may not be good for blonde hairs. It may be fused by the lack of voltage. Number 4. Babyliss Super Power 2400. This Cord Keeper Hair Dryer having great achievements in salons, beauticians, fashion models as well as an actress is really inspired and is using this product. Beauticians, fashion models as well as an actress is really inspired and is using this product. It finishes with a 2400 watt speed hair dryer. This Bob Eyeles Super Power Cord Keeper Hair Dryer getting dry fastly the hairs. This Bob Eyeles Super Power Cord Keeper Hair Dryer getting dry fastly the hairs. In addition, become hair smooth, frizz reduce ionic conditioners. Product detail. Hair type, frizzy brand, Bob Eyeles dimension, 2.25 pounds. Pros. Such an amazing fastest 2400 watt Cord Keeper Hair Dryer having a powerful salon AC motor. This Bob Eyeles hair dryer control frizz ionic. Cons. Because of a slim nozzle, it may be not good for blonde hairs. In this modern era, plethora of folks want comfort and they go for hair dry. Number 3. Conair Cord Keeper Hair Dryer 1875 watt 169 by. This latest ionic technology and black cord keeper hair dryer, such an amazing and gorgeous tool. For hairstyling, smoothness of the hair, shiny and frizz-free. He is having multiple storage options. We are going to discuss some features of this cord keeper hair dryer: 2 heat speed settings, folding handle, and cool shot button. Product detail. Master pack, 4 each case weight, 7.8 pounds case cube, 0.73 universal product code, 040072014444. Pros: ionic technology for shiny as well as sparkling, smooth, frizzy, and fresh hairs. Foldable handle cord keeper hair dryer. 2 heat/speed settings. Cons: it can be destroyed by the lack of current. If you will use a different kind of charges, then it will be difficult to maintain good battery health. Number 2. Infinity Pro by Conair 1875 watt cord keeper hair dryer with heat sense technology. Although we have numerous options for hair dryers, but one thing still pinches our minds, that is about the quality, material, fewer cons, heat as well as cold wind, good handle blower. So, do not worry about that, I'm here to explain about the best cord keeper hair dryer. One of them is Infinity Pro by Conair 1875 watt. It's such an amazing option. If you have a craze for hairstyling, then Infinity Pro is a good option. The self-regulating heater in this blow dryer reduces hot spots, and dual heat technology makes hair drying fast and gentle. Look one view at the specification of this cord keeper hair dryer. This cord keeper hair dryer has 3 heat/2 speed settings, a removable filter as well as shut off and on a button. Product detail. The dimension of the product, 2.27 pounds. The model number of the product, 485 universal product code, 074108388391. Company name, Conair 9. Amazon standard identification number, B07VL31G. Key features. Having affordable price, 3 heat and 2 speed settings, really amazing for hairstyling and hair smoothness, and this hair dryer is usable for every hairstyle. Number 1. Revlon 1875 watts Fast Dry Travel Cord Keeper Hair Dryer. Revlon hair dryer is one of the best hair dryers who helping women as well as men to make beautiful hairstyles. Also barbers, fashion models. Additionally, the actress is using Revlon tools for making good hairstyles. So, next, we will discuss the product specification. About the product, the convenient 1875 watt Revlon cord control styler requires half the space for storing ordinary dryers. This powerful hand blower features a folding handle and retractable cord that expands to a lengthy 4.5 feet for straightforward transport and efficient storage for fast, on-the-go hairstyles. Ionic technology helps maintain a neutral charge on the hair's surface, leaving it looking conditioned and smooth, while helping reduce frizz and static for healthy, shiny hair. And we can use it as a cord keeper hair dryer. Let's move on to its specifications. Product specification. Is discontinued by Helen of Troy, no dimensions, 1.36 pounds. Item model number, RVDR 5175. Universal product code, 761,318,051,756.